How to use the math function on the oscilloscope. You have two signals. If you want to add or subtract or divide it, you click the math button. There is your source 1, this is your source 2. Source 2, source 1. The operator is dividing it. If you want it to add them, that's what you get. This is the addition of these two. You subtract them, that's the subtraction of these two signals. And multiplying them, you get it. And dividing them, this is how it looks like. Dividing this signal on this signal. So source 1 divided by source 2, this is the function. Source 1 divided by source 2, channel 1 divided by channel 2, you get this. So it means two signals. We divided them, and then that's the result. And also you can,